Today is a beautiful day, beautiful weather. Today is a rainy weather. To my beautiful people, look at the trees. Basically, one location I like is the nature. But New York is basically about business and buildings. These are the houses. Very beautiful. And one thing I love about nature is the roses, the grass, the trees. Right here in New York is basically different. This is about business, but this is the Bronx, basically. So come and walk with me, people. We gotta look both ways, people. Very rainy day today. You can see the fruit. It is all wet. Yep. Look at the flowers. Very beautiful flowers. Look at the grass. Like, this is some different kind of roses, but it's dying. Isn't it very beautiful? You know, but I could picture like back then it used to be different, but now they're doing basically buildings very different. So you walk with me, walk a little bit in this rainy day. See, you basically could see how it basically looks so different. These are buildings. This is New York in the Bronx. You see the trees are beautiful. These not palm trees like Puerto Rico and Dominican and Mexico. All different things. So we just walking, touring around the Bronx. So we walking a little bit. It's walking, enjoying ourselves. These are houses, beautiful buildings. They look beautiful. So we are walking, just looking around the Bronx, where I am from. They got buildings here, just showing up. You do it around the Bronx. See, today is basically it's a rainy day. It look way different, right? It's called the city of the Bronx. That big building is basically the project. That's where the working people at. Some of them are ghetto, some of them are life. Well, the project is not so bad. It's the people that live there that mess up the projects. See, this basically the city, beautiful city. So you're touring with me. Come and walk with me, with your girl Denise, BS baby, living that life in the Bronx. Come and take a tour with me. Today, ooh, look at that tree. That tree is very big, right? Beautiful. Man, I love nature. Let's see if I book a trip to go to Pennsylvania for a vacation. See, let me tell you something. One thing I don't like about the Bronx, that people throw garbage. People throw garbage in their building. See, that's disrespectful. You know why? Because the man always picking up the dirty garbage. That's the reason why I don't like New York, the main city, basically, because of that. You know, people throw a lot of garbage. New York is beautiful, and one thing I don't like is the garbage. Main thing I do not like from New York, the basically garbage. But New York is beautiful. These buildings are called the projects, where working people is at. Most people like to talk a lot of shit about it, but you know, it is basically the lot of working people, regular people, but we're missing up is certain people basically. So we're working people. This is my building, people. Beautiful building, right? This where? That's my building. Beautiful.